Hello guys! We cook some noodles for midnight snack. After the banana, then the noodles. This noodles is combination of Malaysian and Philippine. So we call it Malayapin, Malaysian and Philippine. But very good combination. The taste is so good. Like ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. So nice. See? Very nice the taste. Midnight snack. Or should I say, my husband dinner. I think so like that. Thank you guys.